everybody, we are undertaking the garage today, which if you've ever seen our garage, is a big job. So we're slowly working toward the clean out here, where tons of things have been stored and forgotten about. So we're working toward resolving that and minimizing. So we'll be keeping you posted, and that's what we're doing today. That's today's project. And the kids are also working on a closet inside the house where their toys and things were stored, which they're out of toy age now, so they're doing a really good job of cleaning out. So we'll keep you posted.
It's amazing how you can accumulate so much junk over time. We went ahead and got a bagster, and we'll have all this junk picked up and hauled away. Most of this stuff is just trash that just got thrown to the side.
We are at Seth's mock trial state competition, so that's why you haven't heard a lot from us this week. So we're going to be filming a little bit around here in Raleigh, which of course we're from North Carolina, so this is our state capital. And wish them luck, and we'll see how the day goes.
Stayed at last night. Not quite as comfortable as the camper, but it'll do.
I think we'll get our picture made. Trial competition, waiting for Seth's team to be the prosecutors. They just finished the defense round.
This place, Taverna Agora.
Yeah.
Looks interesting.
The 2017-2018 state championship, and will represent North Carolina in Reno, Nevada in May, and will be with Ms. Johnson for 5 minutes after taking some pictures. I guarantee she will keep you with it first. The winner of this year's competition is Central Carolina Homestead.
Well, folks, Seth's team won their mock trial competition, so I guess that means we're going to Reno.
We are going to Reno. We're going to take the camper with us.
So, yet another adventure to share with you guys. So, if you got any insights, comment and let us know what to see or do in Reno or where to stay. And we'll keep you posted.
Well, we're back from the mock trial competitions and look at what's happening. It's snowing again. Seems like we can't get a break. We keep getting crazy weather here in North Carolina. Got a few things left to do here in the camper. I'm going to be putting this quarter round here and some more over there. We're going to tidy up just some loose ends here and there and finish the decorating. Everything's looking really nice, really good. We added these mats to the nightstands in the bedroom. We added a hamper. And that's where the big giant hole was. The vent cover came in the mail. It's a little bit too messy to put it on today though. As soon as it clears up, I'll switch this out. And that is the vent that needs to be replaced. It's falling apart. It's become very brittle, and we're going to replace it as soon as we can.
Hey everybody, as you've seen, Seth's mock trial team won the state championship, and we are so excited about that. What that means is that there is a national competition that is being held in Reno. So in the course of debating what we're going to do in terms of do we fly or do we take the camper, we sort of crunched some numbers and thought we'd share that with you as far as how we calculated things. As you know, there's multiple websites you can go that'll give you a gas estimate as well. But we just thought we'd share it with you so that if you wanted to calculate it on your own, you certainly could. We did go on Google Maps and found that it is 2,580 miles from here in Winston-Salem to Reno, Nevada. So not a short trip at all.
2,580 miles. That is a very long trip from here to Reno.
Right. And what we did was we took the gas mileage, or what we guesstimate as the gas mileage in our Lincoln Navigator, which pulling the camper we're guessing is about 10 miles a gallon, and divided that by the miles.
2,580 miles, and you divide that by your miles per gallon, which is, for us, would be 10 miles per gallon. So you take the 2,580 divided by 10. Okay.
And of course that brings you to 258. And at that point you will multiply it by your price for fuel per gallon, which we guesstimated at about $2.50. It's a little less than that here typically. And that gave us a grand total of $645 in fuel costs to get to Reno.
And considering that the airfare for a ticket to Reno starts at around $500, it might be a better deal to drive out there, but that also has to include the costs of the places that you stay, the campgrounds. It also calculates the amount of time that you've got to take off, because it's going to take you a lot longer to get there. It's going to be at least a 4-day trip out there and another 4-day trip back, whereas when you fly, it's just a few hours. It's about a 7-hour flight.
So it definitely factors in when it's not a total pleasure trip. As excited as we are to watch Seth in his competition, so we're just weighing those things out and deciding how we're going to go about this. So if you've got any insights, share them with us. We'd love to hear it, and how you calculate the cost on your trip. So thank you guys for tuning in for, I hope, what's been an informative presentation for you, and we'll see you soon.